Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video we're going to take a look at this tripod grill and lantern hanger. I'll show you how to assemble it and how to use it as well. So let's get started. So we decided to go with this Ozark Tripod Grill because most of the places that we camp at, the fire rings have these grills built into them, but the problem with them is you can't control the heat properly. And it's nothing worse than burning your burgers and ruining your good weekend at camping. So we'll get this assembled, we'll get a fire going, and we'll set it up and try it out. All right, let's get this assembled and then get a fire going, get some burgers grilling. Comes in a nice carrying pouch here. Got your stand, your cooking grill, and your chain. First thing you need to do is assemble all three sets of your poles which build the tripod base. These do have the bungee cords inside of them, so everything just snaps together real quick. You're gonna have to line up these grooves. There'll be a low side and a high side. Just line those up and snap it into place. Do that for all three of them. The nice thing with these new updated poles is they have these little spikes so they stick into the ground better and stay in place, a little bit more durable. Now that you have all three of your poles built, take the chain out of the package. Be careful, try not to twist the chain too much and cause it to get into a knot. So here you have your hanging chain. There's three of them coming off. And then this chain here will be your height adjustment chain. You want to place your one end. You're going to have a little hooks on the bottom here. You want to place that through. Once you have two of them through, before you install the last pole, be sure to install the adjustment chain through the pole from the top, and then insert your last pole into the framing here. Then you want to take the loose end of your chain and feed it up through this and back down through this hole right here. Now we'll go ahead and get this tripod set up and we'll get the grill assembled and attached to it. So what you're going to want to do is just get it assembled, get it set up like this temporarily. Now take the chain with the three ends connected to it, attach it to the hanging chain in the center. It's got a little clip on it, just snap it over the top. Raise that up a little bit. Grab your cooking grate, and this is where using two people would come in handy, but connect it to three exact points so you form a triangle on your grate. And you may need to adjust it after you have assembled it to make sure that everything sits nice and level. Which that looks pretty good right there. So I'm happy with that. You can adjust it, move your chains around, get them to where you like them, because you want everything to be nice and solid. That's important. If these chains are lopsided or off to one side, all your food's gonna flop out, fall right into the fire. Here's how your tripod grill should look when it's finished. Make sure you have your chains spaced out. You want them in between the grates here. You do not want to insert them in this section here, the chain could slide around this whole area if you had one on this side and then one on this side. Chances are that your grate's not going to sit level. You're going to flip and all your food's going to fall out. Let's get a fire going, get some food cooking. And that fire's getting hot. One thing I do want to mention before using it for the first time is you'd like to sanitize it, wash it real good, and then I like to drop it down in the heat, let it get real hot before cooking for the first time. Let's get some burgers going. Now if you see that it's getting too hot or too cold, just simply raise it up, or you can lower it down. With this simple adjustment right here. No more worrying about having the coals just right for cooking. With this, now you can start a little bit sooner and get your meals cooked perfectly. This tripod cooking grill from Ozark Trail is definitely a game changer when you're out in the woods or at the campgrounds and you want to get a meal cooked up in a hurry and don't want to wait for the flames to go down. It's going to be my new go-to for cooking, I think. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll have a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano. Well, what do you guys think?
I don't know, but it's amazing. So tasty and delicious.
No more burning your food. No more burgers falling in the campfire. Kid approved.